Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide
for Chevy's 2002 to 2009 Trailblazer.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards.
Step 2. Our part features a perforated plate that can be removed to allow the part to be installed around the nearby fuel tank crossmember. If you are not replacing the crossmember, remove this plate before starting the install. Our part installs in the area where the rear center body mount sits. If you're not replacing the mount, you'll need to carefully remove it so that it can be reinstalled later. Uninstall the cab mount bolts and bushings from the side of the vehicle you are working on, and raise the body off the frame high enough to give you sufficient welding clearance. Step 3. Hold the part up to the frame and mark off its coverage, measuring 3/4 of an inch up from the bottom of the frame rail, and draw a cut line for the length of the part. Begin cutting away the bottom of the rail and the lower control arm mount, along with removing the upper control arm and body mount brackets. Grind the work area free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Followed by coating the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against further rust development. Step 4. Push the section onto the frame rail while using the frame holes to help with alignment. Remove any potential fire hazards from the work area. Following proper welding procedures, weld 100% around all edges of the frame section. Step 5. Coat the part and work area with a primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Finally, reinstall your upper and lower control arms and body mount bracket, and you're done.